how cute this tote is at Me and My Mama's Boutique. This is our newest piece. We just made it, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make one as well. And this is another one of our popular items. We sold this at our last event, and this is the stencil that we use. So first, when you want to create a tote bag like this, I'm going to teach you guys exactly what you need. The first thing you're going to need is, of course, totes. Now, the totes that we get, I feel like you can find one cheaper because the wholesaler is not giving us a deal on these. I'm not sure why, but it is fine. So we buy 5 at a time, and it comes in black and also this color. If you can find a better wholesaler and better deals, I suggest you go with them. But make sure it is 100% cotton. We learned the hard way that it has to be cotton. We burned through these, and they are easy to burn through if it's not cotton. So make sure it's 100% cotton. And I also find that these colors are easy to print on, like taupe colors, black. I feel like it's easy to print. So now we're going to turn on our heat press. If you do not have a heat press, it is fine. I saw somebody use an iron to press on theirs. So if you don't want to invest in a heat press, you can use an iron, or I don't know the other name, but I will link it below. So I already turned the heat press on, and it's at about 350 degrees. So before I press, I'm going to make sure that all the creases is out of the tote bag. So I'm just having the heat press, I don't know the exact name, but I just have it sitting on there to make it smooth. As you can see how smooth it is. Now I have the stencil. Now these stencils, we get them custom made. I can provide it below, and basically you just pay a fee for, I believe it's about $20. And you just pick the design, and that's exactly what we do. We just pick a design, we press it, and then voila, that is it. And we just peel it off. And when it's not ready, like, do you see how it's hard to pull that off? It is not ready, so we're gonna press it again. And literally, that is it.